The emergence of Savannah cats, a hybrid cat breed, is clearly known. It first occurred on April 7, 1986, when an African cat was crossed with a local cat breed. The name Savannah was taken from the people who bred this cat breed. Immediately after the production of the Savannah cat, it was bred quickly and professionally, thanks to Patrick Kelly and Joyce Routh, who are important breeders in this region, and became a popular cat breed known all over the world. After genetic studies on Savannah cats, they came across Bengal, Oriental Shorthair, and Mau cat breeds. The Savannah cat breed, whose genetic variation has not yet been determined, is produced under supervision and is under protection. Savannah cats have average sizes and can weigh between 3 and 9 kilograms on average. The male species of Savannah cats are heavier than the females. The lifespan of a Savannah cat is between 17 and 20 years. These cats, which need constant movement, are very active. Savannahs enjoy playing games and can easily jump to high places thanks to their athletic and muscular body structure. Although they may have difficulty getting used to people at first, they can adapt to living with them later. They may want to play with every object they see. When it is loved by its owner, it becomes very loyal to it. To own a Savannah cat, it may be necessary to obtain a special permit in some countries. An intelligent and impressive cat breed, Savannahs are extremely mischievous and curious. Reflecting the appearance of a wild cat with their erect ears, these cats have a magnificent fur structure. Their fur structure is generally spotted like a leopard, and their hair is quite hard. The Savannah cat is a beautiful and popular cat breed with a magnificent fur structure and almost every personality trait sought in a domestic cat. Although its perfectly beautiful spotted fur makes it a wild-looking creature, it is one of the most valuable creatures in the world among cats that can be kept at home. And it's rare. Its emergence was the result of the mating of the African Serval, a wild cat species, and a local African cat. It is a cat that was discovered not long ago, in the 1980s. This incredibly beautiful Savannah cat has a spotted fur, long legs and large ears. Bearing all the appearance of the African wildcat Serval, Savannah gets its docile temperament from a local non-wild African cat. We can say that it is a rare breed. Moreover, what makes her so desirable is her external beauty and personality trait. The first thing to know about the Savannah cat, it usually has very high energy. He tries to get rid of this energy by playing tricks on himself in his environment. Moreover, he has a wonderful intelligence. In the games played with him, he has the ability to make unexpected moves when you least expect it, with his unique tactics. His ability to use his intelligence is very high. He is responsible for the drawers and cabinets in the house. Exploring these parts of the house is a full-on job. He gets great satisfaction from this. The Savannah cat is a social and sociable creature. He wants to get rid of his high energy by playing games with his owner, other cats in the house, even with a foreign guest or a dog living in the house. This means he can't actually be alone. Yes, the Savannah cat can become stressed, cranky and develop destructive behavior when left alone. Because she is a social and playful cat. Therefore, it is necessary to take care of it, bond with it, and play lots of games with various toys. If you are a single person or a couple that is too old to take care of it, the Savannah cat will not be suitable for you. You need to spend time with him as much as possible. If possible, even get him used to the leash and take him for a walk whenever you get the chance. Regular walks will make the Savannah cat feel good and will also be able to do its daily activities thanks to its physical stimulation. Another feature that distinguishes the Savannah cat from many other cat species is that it does not hate water. Instead of avoiding water, the Savannah cat likes to spend time in the water. He listens to the sound of water in the house and directs his attention to that direction. He can even climb on the counter and turn on the fountain with his paw. As long as he learns. Places such as toilets and bathrooms whose doors are left open are no different than playgrounds for him. It is a more or less vocal cat. Can be quite loud at times. But there is no need to worry. These meowing sessions are mostly when he is hungry, demanding food, or when he needs some attention. When she is picked up when she wants attention, she is very willing to talk to her owner and knows how to make him love her by making cute chirps. If you are lucky enough to own a Savannah cat, be ready to keep up with its high energy and show lots of love and patience while training it. We can say that the Savannah cat, which is a wonderful cat breed for all families with its external beauty and temperament, is a good roommate. Their numbers are still quite low. Therefore, whoever has it is undoubtedly very lucky. Savannah cats are long-legged cats with large ears. It is known for its spotted feather structure. They are generally curious and intelligent. This cat breed is very loyal to its owners and is also social. You can support their mental stimulation through different exercises and various toys. Savannah cat height may vary depending on genetic factors and breed. While the first generations can grow up to 45 centimeters, other generations may remain smaller. However, it is still possible that it is larger than other cat species. Although the Savannah cat is a healthy cat breed, it is prone to some health problems, like every cat. These health problems can be prevented when diagnosed early. Some common health problems that can occur in Savannah cats. Patellar luxation, it may cause pain and discomfort in the cat's legs while moving. Hypoglycemia, low blood sugar as a result of inadequate and irregular nutrition, tremors, weakness, and fainting may occur. Hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, HCM. It is the most common heart disease in cats. It causes the heart muscle to thicken, making it difficult for it to pump blood properly. Dental problems, tooth stones, cavities, and gum diseases are common problems in the Savannah cat. Parasites and infections, internal and external parasites negatively affect the general health of the Savannah cat. If you want your Savannah cat to have a healthy life, you need to have regular veterinary check-ups. You should definitely follow vaccination schedules and not neglect anti-parasite treatments. In summary, you can prevent many health problems of your cat through early treatment. Savannah cat kittens attract attention with their energetic nature. These rapidly growing puppies have special nutritional needs. In order for it to develop healthily, it should consume balanced and high-quality food. At the same time, choosing a cat collar is important for the safety of kittens during the socialization process. In later ages, proper training is required to ensure harmony with other animals. Baby Savannah cats are a pet cat breed, but their high energy should not be ignored. You should create a large living space for Savannahs. In addition, cat toys, scratchers, and interactive games can be ideal options for spending quality time. If you are considering adopting a Savannah cat, you should decide by taking its care and needs into consideration. The Savannah cat emerged as a result of the hybridization of domestic cats and African cats. Therefore, before adopting it, you should remember that its energy level is high and its size is large. Dear cat friends, please subscribe to our channel for more such videos.